everyone, picture this. You're in the middle of an important conversation in English and suddenly your mind goes blank. You find yourself reverting to your native language, feeling stuck and frustrated? Well, we have been there. Today, we're going to explore strategies to help you navigate these moments and stay immersed in English. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand common reasons why you might revert to your native language. Use practical strategies to overcome these moments and stay immersed in English. Become capable of handling situations where you feel stuck in your native language. Before we actually get into the strategies, let's understand why this happens. Reverting to your native language often occurs due to lack of vocabulary, not knowing the right words in English, nervousness or anxiety. Feeling stressed can make you fall back on a familiar language. Habitual thinking, long-standing habits of thinking in your native language. Complex topics. Difficult subjects might push you to revert to your native language. When you feel stuck, take a moment to pause and breathe. This helps calm your nerves and gives you a moment to collect your thoughts. If you can't find the exact word or phrase, simplify your language. Use basic words and structures to convey your message. Once, while explaining a technical concept, I couldn't recall the specific terminology. I broke down the idea into simpler terms, saying it's like a big toolbox with many different tools, which effectively communicated my point without complex jargon. When you're stuck, try paraphrasing. Restate the idea in a different way using words you already know. Think of paraphrasing like finding an alternate route when your usual path is blocked. If you can't recall exhausted, you might say very tired. This keeps the conversation moving forward. Non-verbal communication can help fill in gaps when you are stuck. Use gestures, facial expressions, and body language to support your words. While discussing a recipe, I forgot the word whisk. Instead, I mimicked the action with my hand and said, "You know, the thing you use to mix?" The gesture helped my friend understand immediately. When you're searching for words, use fillers like, you know, or let me think, to give yourself time to find the right expression. Fillers are like a bridge that helps you transition smoothly when you encounter gaps. They buy you a few seconds to gather your thoughts without losing the listener's attention. I joined a weekly language exchange group. Regular conversations with native speakers not only improved my fluency, but also built my confidence in handling unexpected situations in English. Now here's an assignment for you. In your next English conversation, if you get stuck, ask your partner for the word or phrase you need. Note how this interaction goes. Getting stuck in your native language during English conversations can be frustrating. But with these strategies, you can navigate those moments smoothly and stay immersed in English.